What do you want to cover first?
How to modify it?
Yeah. Do you want to go from let's go barbell first.
Okay. Okay.
Ow, my back.
All right. So, one thing I'm going to say is stop there, first off, okay? I'm going to say a couple of things. One, you have oranges in your armpits right here, okay? I want you to squeeze them and make orange juice. Good. So now you're squeezing between your shoulder blades here and you have a big chest, okay? You're a pretty peacock. Show me your feathers. There you go. Now drag the barbell down. Good. And back up. Keep the squeeze in between the shoulder blades. Good. Shoot the hips straight back like you're trying to close a drawer behind you with your butt. Good. Do that one more time. Just reach for me with the booty. Try to tap me. Boom. Back up. A couple of different cues so that you guys might have noticed in the beginning he was very roundy here. So we did oranges in the pits, we did shoot the booty back, and now he's got a more neutral spine, and it's a lot safer for his low back.
Yeah, let's just explain this really quickly. Go ahead and set up for that. Go ahead and give me a poopy one. Okay, so when you treat your back poorly, it's going to end up hurting. And so deadlifting is generally actually pretty good for your body, but not the way she's doing it right now. And so perk up. And so if we flatten here, notice that, I mean, we can use this as a kind of a measurement tool. We want to have a little bit of space if we put something on her back, such as a stick. Generally speaking, if it looks flat, it's rounded. So we want to have it a little bit more attentive, like the peacock analogy. Okay. Now we're going to try to stump each other. This is the way these games typically go. I feel like we're doing a whose line is it anyway thing. Okay. Show me your deadlift.
Okay. Ow.
Okay, so her form looks not bad, okay, but there's a couple things I'm going to key in on, so let's do a couple more. The first thing I can tell you is that usually a nice thing to look at is what they're doing with their feet and what they're doing with their hands. Since you guys on the camera can't see her feet, I'm going to look at her hands. And so, right there, stay. And so she's very loose here. See how her fingertips are just exposed? Grab the bar. Harder, harder. Harder. I know there's no weight on this bar, but sometimes people do they get slack in their hands. And so this will generally make this area stiffen up. It makes the lat get involved, which helps the low back from not becoming too flexed. Go ahead and come up again. How does that feel?
Better.
Better. I hope
more
so.
Stable.
I didn't know where I was going to go with it anyways.
No, because people have back pain, although their form might look good, right? So I just kind of wanted to see where you would go with that.
Yeah, okay. So, all right, well, I see where this is going. We're going to stump each other again then. Okay. I'm going to give you a trick.
I know where you're going. Okay.
Put my back straight.
All right. Okay, so if you guys, I don't know if you can or can't see on the video, but you'll see, one, his knees are coming out pretty wide, which can or can't be a good thing, but also that kind of forces his big toes to come up off the ground. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, Seb, there's a seam in the floor right here, a pretend seam, okay, just like that. And you're going to try to spread those two pieces of the floor apart with the insides of your feet, actually your whole foot, and just spread it apart this way.
The whole foot.
So if these are his feet on the floor, I'm trying to get him to spread this way without actually moving his feet. So he's just stiffening, sticky, and pushing outward. How does that feel?
I feel my cheeks involved.
Good.
Yeah, a lot of people, it's funny, when you give them this one, you tell them to spread the floor, or turn the floor, they'll go like this. No, turn your feet, turn the floor. So you're stuck on the floor, and you create tension through the floor, as well as the object, which we mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Where are you going to go now?
Okay.
Okay. So Don's showing the classic, and I'm going to move the camera a tad just so you can see a little bit lower, because it doesn't really matter at the top too much here. So we see the classic dumping right here. And so she actually, from other videos we've done, most of her round happens kind of high up here. It's not really low, it's just high up. And so pause at the bottom there just so we can take a peek. And so she's flat and then hump and then flat again. And so there's a lot of bend happening here, and this is not really a good powerful area for people. We want to get in the hips. And so go ahead and stand. One of the easiest things I can give you is don't go down as far. And so we're going to put her on blocks. So go ahead and come down, and I only want you to go to where you touch my hand. There? Good. And so notice the path that she's going. She's rubbing on the thighs, and she's only going about, oh, you caught your hand, didn't you?
So it's not a heavy stick.
Yeah. So she's only gonna go about an inch below the knee. And that's all we need for most people generally. Now, is this gonna be classified as a lift that's gonna work in an Olympic barbell sport? Probably not. But I'm not an Olympic barbell athlete. I don't know if you are. Most people aren't. They just want to feel good deadlifting. So let's go into a different one. I got one. Well, this one came in yesterday.
I thought I was going to hit you with the stick.
Yeah. Okay. This one came in yesterday, so true case.
Okay. Okay.
I'm doing workouts in my garage because I've been staying at home.
And all they have is dumbbells?
All they have is dumbbells.
Okay. So you'll notice here, go ahead and go down one more time. See where he lands with the dumbbell? So he's coming outward. As he's coming down, he's creating a more of a, what do we call this, a bigger lever arm away from the body. So Seb, instead of you coming outward with that dumbbell, I want you to keep the bigger parts of the dumbbell. What do you even call it? Is this the dumb part of the bell? Is this the bell part of the dumb? What is this?
No, I don't know.
The black parts of the dumbbell, I want
feel
you
dumb for not knowing yet.
to shave the front of your thighs with it the entire time. Good, and back up. You can even pull it into you a little bit, and that'll turn your belly and your lats on. Good, and back up. Does that feel better?
It's better.
Yeah? Is that the cue that you did for them?
No, I did a different one.
What'd you do?
We started with that though.
Okay.
So I'll show you what I did.
Want me to do the same thing outward like that?
Yeah.
Is that where you were headed?
Yeah, let's make sure everyone can still see you because we're getting far away from the camera. So yeah, yeah, we'll go there. That's perfect. Good. So yeah, we first did this and she still had some pain with it. And so what we did instead was grab the end. Good. Put it between your ankles. And so now, if you're looking from like the path, if you're looking at this path, the dumb and the bell is passing between her knees versus in front of her body. Okay, and so she's able to push it back between or underneath her center of gravity better, so she's not really having that lever arm on the back. Okay. Also, too, because of the height now, it allows her to not go as deep, so it's self-regulating.
That's good.
That's what we did. So we didn't have to do too much with that.
I like that.
So, yeah, a lot of people are married to the idea of the barbell. You don't need to have a barbell. I think a trap bar is safer. Mm-hmm. But if you only have stuff at home like this type of stuff, then you can modify the grip. We should probably address one more thing on this is what if you don't have that and you want to deadlift at home?
A backpack.
A backpack? Okay.
A lot of people have a backpack. So if you have a backpack, a purse, some sort of bag of some sort that you can put some stuff in, you can create your own weight. So I think I put textbooks in it. I've put tools in it at times. I've even put like heavy cooking pans in it at times too. But doing it at home, if you guys don't have any weights and you want to try this, put yourself a backpack and load it up.
Yeah, I feel like I've given this suggestion a lot of times too, because everybody has a backpack. Everyone went to school. And there's literally sand, especially for beginners. Sand, Home Depot, is $5 for 50 pounds. And in the beginning, people are like, well, I don't have this. There's a 3-month wait on this thing. I can't deadlift. No, buy sand. The cool thing with the beginner is your 50-pound deadlift will quickly jump to 100 pounds, and you didn't have to waste all the money on a 50-pound dumbbell or kettlebell or whatever. So just your weight's going to change very quickly because you are a beginner or intermediate. So when you get more advanced, it won't change as quickly, and you'll
show them how to do it.
Okay. Oh, you're going to show them how to do it. Go ahead. All right, looks good. And let's see, I want to make sure everyone's got a view.
I want to go down further though.
Yeah, I know you do. So she wants to go down further. That's okay. Once you grab lower on the straps. There we go, we'll do that. Still not too low for you, huh? Oh, she's going to do a good morning style. All right, commando.
Pull it in.
Okay, so she formed a goat bag out of it. Not that there's a goat in that bag, it's just the name of the thing. Okay, So those are your options. What do you think we should cover? Anything else, or we cover how to modify?
Those are some really good cues. I would say don't get overwhelmed with all of those cues though. Sometimes people, they try to repeat all of that in their head and then it's too much and then they just don't even know how to move anymore. So pick one, see if it works for you. If you don't like it, watch the video again, pick a different one. Try it until you find something that does work for you. But you should be feeling all booty cheek in the deadlift. If you feel low back pain, you are not doing it correctly. Pick a different cue.
Agreed. Cool. So if you guys are looking for more suggestions for lower back pain, we do have a lot of assets for you. A lot of them are free. They're on YouTube. Just click on the little button in the corner, the little red dot that says, I think, P, and just go there and search the channel for low back pain. You can probably search deadlifting too. We've covered this topic quite a bit as well. And do we have anything else?
Free gift?
We want to gift them?
Do we have a gift for them on this one?
We can have a gift on back pain. It'll cover some deadlifting too. Yeah, let's do a gift on back pain.
Okay, so if you're having low back pain, you guys, we have a free gift for you. Just click on the link in the description below, or as we're talking right now, it might have popped up on the video. But this is a what to do next for your low back pain. Maybe you've tried some of these cues and it helps a little bit, but you're still having the low back pain. Maybe we need to just regress you a little bit, and this free gift will help guide you through a couple of steps on what to do to help mitigate that pain. If you guys need some more guidance, you want some more coaching cues in the deadlift, or you need some more help with your low back pain, you can come see us. We're in Orange County, California. We can help you out virtually as well. We have tons of online options as well for you too. So all you have to do is reach out to us, ask us for our help, and we'd love to help you.